Welcome, my name is Agnieszka. I'm going to show you our dental surgery and I tell you something about dental team and about their responsibilities. There's a lunch. Lunch is a place where patients are waiting for their turn. They're just waiting for their visits. Really important aspect of waiting room is that it has to be cozy and comfortable because visits can be really stressful for patients and that can reduce stress a little bit. There are some magazines, coffee machine, and there is also music playing in the background. Everything is out of concern for patients' needs. The receptionist is the first employee in the practice that patients meet. Her duties are not just clerical. It is very often the case that it is the receptionist who creates the image of the practice by the approach to patients. The receptionist greets the patients and assists them through the initial formal requirements. She may request that the patients filed in the forms ask about insurance, but may also contribute to easing patient stress by talking to them in a friendly manner. They also schedule visits, send reminders, file patient information in the records, maintain accounts and collect money for treatment. Now we are going to the social room. The social room is a place where dental team are holding their things, change clothes, eat some lunch and drink coffee in the free time. Let's go to the sterilization room. Follow me. Here we are. There is a special vessel with a special liquid which contains germicide chemical substance. It's the first step of cleaning instruments when we put instruments into a liquid. The second step, we put instruments into a special packet. And the last step, we put instruments into autoclave. That is a special hermetic closed machine. Autoclave are used to sterilize equipment and supplies by subjecting them to high pressure saturated steam at 121 Celsius degree for around 1 hour. Now I'm going to my colleague who will show you a dental instruments.
Welcome, I'm Ada and now we are in a dental surgery. I wanted to tell you about hand instrument and dental unit. Here we have gloves, that is really important thing in our profession, and we could have the latex gloves or knitwear gloves for allergic people. And give me a sec because I wanted to wear it. Okay, now I'm ready, and that is a dental probe. We use it to explore the tooth surfaces and to locate the cavities. That is the mirror. It is used to provide indirect vision and illumination of dark areas. It might be plain or magnifying, and that one is a plain one. Here we have tweezers. Tweezers are used to grab material and transfer them in and out of the oral cavity. It is also used to choose a bars. That is the excavator. It's used to remove carious dentin. Here we have a plugger. It's used to place and push filling materials in the prepared cavity. That is a chisel. It is used to split off unsupported enamel. Here we have a forceps. The forceps, they are used to extract the teeth. Here we have an elevator, and it used to loosen teeth which cannot be grasped by forceps. There are the cotton rolls. They are used to isolate teeth from other environment during the procedure, and we can roll it and That is spatula. Here we have a mixing pot. It is used to mix dental materials. Bars are used to open the cavity, remove caries, shape and smooth the cavity surfaces. After the restoration, it is used to polish surfaces. The bars have different sizes and shapes. That is the ultrasonic scaler. It is used to remove calculus from the tooth surfaces. Let's go to the dental unit. Here we have a bead to protect the patient. That one is a shadow rest operating lamp. Here we have a curing lamp to make a materials hard. Next to curing lamp there is a saliva ejector to suck away excess of saliva. Here we have a spittoon to spit out water, blood and debits. Here we have a water to clean it, and here the water for patient. Here we have instrument panel. That one is an ankle handpiece. Here we put a bar. That one is a scaler, and here we put the scaler. That one is an air spray and water spray. That is X-ray machine. Here you have X-ray picture. Thank you for attention.